She had a leak below the shower after her kid took a shower, and the drywall started bubbling up. So I came upstairs, tried to figure out what happened, why there was a leak. And so usually it's not the plumbing itself, it's something else. So in this case, this hose right here was loose in the shower head. Take this out. This hose was loose right here, and it was spraying out water. And so as they were taking showers, the water was spraying out onto the wall, was dripping down the wall, and then right into these openings. Had this been sealed, the water would not find its way into the wall, and it would go right into the tub, and it would go down the drain, and there would be no damage below to the drywall. But this is a very old bathroom, as you can tell. It's probably around 30 years old. And but it's never leaked before because the hose never sprayed water like that on the wall. And now that the hose messed up, it got water onto the wall. And because this was not sealed, you see that? I can literally stick my finger in some of these holes. It's just not sealed. So these escutcheons, they look like they're covering, but they're not sealed. There's no silicone holding them, and there's nothing, there's these big holes behind them. So what happened was water would find its way directly into it, and then it has no place else to go but through the sheetrock. So what I'm gonna do is seal this up, seal this up, seal this up. I sealed up around that one. We tightened the hose, and she should not have any other problems going forward. I mean, she might want to remodel her bathroom eventually, but at least for now, we stopped the leak.